Hi everybody! I decided to make this video since I couldn't find a single review about this product online. When I bought it, it was only available in the EcoFlow Europe store, so people in the US and Sweden didn't know too much about it. Anyways, this is the EcoFlow 400 watts bifacial portable Gen 2 lightweight solar panel. The name is a mouthful, but probably it's because there's quite a lot to say about the product. It's a lightweight version, so it's substantially lighter than the earlier versions. It's about 10.2 kilos or 22.5 pounds. Folded, it's about 70 centimeters by 1 meter or 2.2 feet by 3.2 feet. It's approximately 2.5 by 1 meters unfolded or 8.2 feet by 3.2 feet. The word bifacial essentially means that there are solar panels on both sides, making it able to pick up extra reflections from the environment, such as snow, concrete, or even water. It has a waterproof rating of IP68, which means it can handle heavy rain, snow, sleet, or dust storms. The panel also comes with a built-in section for an integrated XT60 cable, so that you can always have a cable ready for when it's time to charge. It's rated at 400 watts, but it can peak around 445 watts with an efficiency of approximately up to 25%. With zero adjustments to the panel, we're already at 314 watts today. But the wind is not in my favor, since the panel is really good at falling over. Luckily, I had a backup location. But even here, the wind was making things difficult for me and the panel. Here I'm already charging at 380 watts, which was today's record. Although the panel's optimal working temperature is about 25 Celsius or 77 Fahrenheit, this video is made in 11 Celsius or about 52 Fahrenheit. The kickstand comes with 3 buttons for different angles towards the sun. Even at this higher angle, it was showing about 360 watts. But again, it fell on me because of the wind. But I realized that even laying the panel down produced around 230 watts, which is still pretty good. This solar panel also has its own built-in sun guide, although I didn't really spend time on that, since it's easier to optimize when plugged in. The panel also has nice branding and feels like a quality build. It uses the latest monocrystalline N-type cells, unlike older P-type monocrystalline or polycrystalline cells with lower efficiency. That's what makes it NextGen. Another fun surprise is that you can use it folded. This yielded varying results, but after a bit of experimenting, I got it to about 160 watts. Here you can see some visual differences between the back and front of the panels. I kept trying different alternatives of folding the panel, and this is when one leg is showing on the front. As you can see, we are at about 100 watts. Here is another alternative where two legs show up on the front. But since there's more blocking the solar panels here, we only get about 50 watts in this alternative. The stands have a dedicated slot where they attach, as well as straps on the sides to close up the pack. Now the briefcase is ready for its next adventure. When it comes to pros, I would say that even though I bought this refurbished for a fraction of the price, it still comes with a 5-year warranty. There are solar panels on both sides making it bifacial, picking up the extra reflection from the environment. It delivers the watts advertised. It has quite a quality build. It's easy to set up, and it has an integrated cable, which is kind of handy. If we then look at the cons, then connecting back to the cable, pun intended, there's only an XT60 cable. So if you don't have an XT60 port or adapter, you can't use the panel. Another con is that it falls easily when it's windy. It does not come with a bag like earlier generations. And I don't really know how much falling and rough handling it's going to be able to take in its lifetime, but it comes with a 5-year warranty, unlike older generations that only came with 2 years. So I'm planning on giving it a run for its money. I really hope you liked this review video. Please comment if you have any questions.